everyone, my name is Mrs. Me. I'm one of the first grade teachers here at Roosevelt, and I am here to help you get logged into Seesaw today. So, Seesaw is one of the things that first grade will be using to help make things easier for your child and be able to navigate a little bit easier. So this will be accessed through Otis, but you do need to log into Seesaw in order for it to work for your child. Seesaw has these lots of different colors, and it has the word class, and it's a white icon, and it says Seesaw underneath. So please click into that in order to log in. You are going to click I am a student, or I'm a student, so that you can sign your child in, or your child can sign themselves in. This one's a little bit easier than it Otis. So I'm a student. It's going to ask you to scan a QR code. This QR code will be sent to you by your homeroom teacher. So, for example, this is just an example student that I made using my own name. So it'll send you information. It'll again tell you how do you get logged into there. We are using the app. If you scroll down, there is a QR code for your student. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the iPad, hold my screen or even your cell phone, and then quickly scan that QR code. And then I would turn on notifications just because it won't hurt. So just hit notify me. And now you can see that I'm in Kaylee Mee's class, or this is my name. Make sure that this is your child's name up in the corner. You can see that this is Mrs. Mee's first grade class. If you're not in Mrs. Mee's class, then it'll say Mrs. Denter's or Mrs. Wilson's. And then when you get in here, this is the screen that will automatically open every time it is in your journal. So that is how to get logged into Seesaw. If you have any questions, please reach out to your teacher. Again, the specific login and QR code should be sent to you by your child's teacher. So please reach out to them if you have not received one. Have a great day, guys. Thank you.